Hello everyone, this is a trial video of sorts. I'm going to upload it to my video channel, and I have not done one in a very long time, and normally I have always done them in portrait mode, so this one hopefully will show up as a landscape mode. And I just wanted to take you through one of my DIY hand knotted rosary kits that I have curated and created. And so I will walk you through the kit, which comes in a nice sturdy box. And as you'll see, the contents of this one are 53 8mm red lace agate beads for the Hail Mary beads, 6 10mm chicken blood jasper beads for the Our Father beads, 12 spacer beads, a crucifix and center, and then you'll also get the nylon cord, a knotting tool, tweezers, and a felt bead mat. And here we go. So first you'll see this beautiful prayer card, which is a very nice sturdy card with the Our Father, Hail Mary, and Glory Be prayers on it. And these are the tools. Your rosary knotting tool for your barrel knots, your tweezers to make your knots between the beads, your felt bead mat. I know it's small, but you probably best work with 1 decade at a time, let's say, so then you don't need to worry so much if there's some sort of a spill and they, end up on the floor. And this is the way they'll just sit in here. So as you can see so far, I have 6, 8, 10, and say this is going to be a decade, and they'll stay in there nice and securely. And we'll have the crucifix and center, and the one I've chosen for this particular rosary is a gold plated, or actually I think it's gold tone, but it does have a design to it, and it is also silver oxidized. So you've got the gold tone, so it's a two-tone, which I think are really lovely. This is made in Italy. And a coordinating miraculous medal. I believe this is also made in Italy. It is stamped. So you've got those. And we're going to be using griffin cord, and I like this to use. It makes it so much easier when you're making your rosaries because it does have the built-in needle. I chose the color brown, which I think coordinates very well with the beads, which I will show you. So you've got 2 meters of that, which should be plenty. You'll have the Our Father beads of the chicken blood jasper, and that is what they look like. I think are quite lovely, and I think they go very well with the Hail Mary beads, which I have chosen red lace agate gemstone beads for the Hail Mary beads. And gather them all up here. I don't want to lose any of the beads. there. And last but not least, we have our spacer beads. And you do not have to use these. I like to put one on either side of the Our Father bead just to set it off. But you'll have 12 of those, so you'll have enough for every one of the Our Father beads should you choose to use them. And we have those. And of course you will get a step-by-step tutorial with big pictures. I like to put some big pictures in them so that you can more clearly see how to create your rosary. And that's what's included in this kit. And I curate my kits so that they stay pretty much one of a kind. There probably will eventually be some exceptions to that, but I like for people to feel that, you know, their rosary is just one of a kind for them. So I'll use different findings, different beads, coordinate the beads in a different way, different thread. There may be something about it that sets it apart from another. So it could be something very small. I will also curate them, customize them. But this is one of the kits, and I will be showing some others and be listing them as well. Let's put these under there. And we'll put our thread back. We'll put that there. We're going to put our tools back in. Everything fits very neatly inside. And, oops, forgot our card. I'm going to get our card in there. Our prayer card. As they say, good things come in small packages, and I think that this is no exception to that. So I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you very much for viewing.